How's it going, guys? I'm gonna be opening 4 packs today. Hopefully I get something good. And I really want that Charizard, like always. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna start off with Necrozma on the cover cardboard. And it ends up being a whole pack. Let's get right into it. Here's a cold card. I'm the reverse cold card guy, huh? Two, three, four. Let's start off with a white code card. Hopefully we get that rainbow rare. Being greedy over here. Started with Leaf Energy, Simisage, Tormenting Spray, Whirlipede, Alolan Grimer, Routes, Alolan Vulpix, Hoot Hoot, Ladybug, reverse of Palossand. The last is gonna be nice, a whole GX. Nice. Let's go ahead and sleeve that bad boy up. Nice. This is not my first ho-oh, but it's a pretty good card in general. Nice. Here you go. Look how sparkly it is. It looks pretty nice. Next up, it's gonna be Ho-Oh on the cardboard cover. Ends up being a Ho-Oh on the pack itself cover. Here's that code card, guys. 4 to the front. Let's call out that darkness energy. Oops. Shout out to Leonhard. Mountain Lanakilla. Kiawe. Simisear. Togedemaru. Wimpot. Alolan Rattata. Magikarp. Pansear. Guzman. And for the end, it's gonna be Electros. Not bad. Second to last pack with more shadow on the cover cardboard. Ends up being on the Necrozma. It's gonna be the code card, guys. Let me know what you get from it if you do guys use it. Four to the front. And then let's call out that fire energy. Wow, they were all leaf. Wow, 3 leaves in a row. Interesting. Potown, Porygon 2, Weakness Policy, Meryl, Caterpie trying to hide from you, Morello, Duskull dabbing it out, and I think he also took a dab, Oddish, Charmeleon, reverse rare, nice. In the end, it's Electivire. For the last pack is gonna be Cosmic Eclipse. So far we've done okay. The first pull was a hole, not too bad. But of course we're always hoping for even better. Here's gonna be the last code card. 4 to the front. Did it all wrong. Alright, at least I fixed that energy. Fire. It's gonna be Psychic. It's gonna be Absol, Vaporeon, Lana's Fishing Rod, Swirlix, Alolan Grimer, Slugma, Chinchou, Cosmog, Spheal for the reverse. In the end, it's gonna be Ursaring, doing some Kung Fu. Nice, nice. Like I said earlier, guys, shout out to Leonhard. I really love his energy. I love his videos. He's a really good inspiration to keep making videos. And in the other hand, Primetime Pokemon has always been. He was the first PokeTuber that I started watching that inspired me as well to start collecting cards again. I'm really glad other PokeTubers are collaborating for that booster box opening. I think that's a really great idea, and so for the sake of Primetime Pokemon returning, I think that's a really great idea. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to contribute. Hopefully I have enough revenue to be able to be a part of the box opening challenge. And once again, thank you guys for watching my video. Like if you haven't already, and subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you.